How to redeem Google Play gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your Google Play gift card. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all, open up the Google Play Store in your device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you get to this interface, navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner of this interface. From this drop-down menu, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Now again tap on Redeem Code. Now here, enter a gift card code, and once you're done with that, tap on this redeem button that you see on this interface. After that, Google Play will ask for your confirmation that you want to add your money to your balance. So before you tap on confirm, be sure that you can take your money back when you tap on confirm. So with that on your mind, tap on confirm. And after that, you will see a confirmation that the gift card was successfully redeemed. So that's how you can simply redeem your Google Play gift card. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe and like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.